Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I get these curls, these kind of loose, casual, I mean, whatever y'all want to call them, these are them. This is what I do day to day when I'm in a rush. I have 10, 15 minutes. I mean, this video took me 15 minutes to make, so it's super quick. And yeah, just keep watching.
If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meet. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat.
Okay, so basically, this is my hair from 3 days ago. If you've been following me, I wash it once a week, and I actually could do like, I'm thinking about doing a video of a week of hairstyles, so you can see like, I wash it this day, then this day I do this, you know, whatever. And I think I'm gonna do a video like that, but anyways, this is my 3-day hair right now. Not looking the best, you know, it's fine. It is what it is. But I am going to take this dirty hair opportunity to show y'all how I do my casual curls. So if I had somewhere to go, some pictures to take today, something like that, this is what I would do. So I have a few different techniques I use for curling my hair. I have my like kind of more glam waves, which are the big curls, which is like my most popular video on here. So that is a hairstyle I do a lot. But for day-to-day casual, I kind of have been doing something else, and I've been testing out a few things. One is flat iron curls, which I could do a video on that as well, just like super quick, you know, how I do that. But this video is loose curling iron wand clamp curls. That's what the video is. Let's get into it. First off, I'm using this dry bar curling iron, okay? I don't love it. I'll be honest, I don't love this. But for my casual curl days, for some reason I do. So it's basically a wand. It has kind of one little small clampy, not a big one. But yeah, that's what that looks like. You'll need one of these, or like, no, get whatever you want. I'll link some dupes down below, link different options for curling irons that are similar to this down below in the description. So this is one. Number 2, clip. Number 3, brush. And 4, my favorite, dry shampoo. I've been using this for maybe 3 years. I will not use anything else. Like the dry bar, I've tried the more expensive ones. I don't like them. I only like this. So using this because my hair is filthy. So yeah, let's get into it. First off, you may not need to do this if you don't have like dirty hair, or maybe you do. I like this one because it's texturizing. So even if my hair is clean, actually, I will use this because it just gives it texture and volume. So that's how I do my dry shampoo. I do like a side part, and then I go on this side because I like to get every little section. In the back too, like, this is just a chaotic video so far because there's a lot going on, okay? A lot going on. So we're throwing dry shampoo in left and right. That's step 1. Throw it in until your hair feels fluff. Sometimes I let it marinate for a little bit, like let it sit, let it kind of soak in. Other times I just go ahead and start brushing it out, really getting it in there. Also, you guys, do I think it's a good idea to use hot tools while I'm wearing a big jacket? No, no. I'm gonna get so warm, but I wanted to wear a cute outfit for you guys. I wanted to dress up. So isn't this kind of cute? I have like these leather joggers, this. Okay, it's gonna be a warm zone over here, but now we begin. All right, I'm gonna be honest, you don't need the clip. I don't use, like what? I don't use a clip. I literally don't. These are my casual curls, keep in mind. So I just start going in. Leaving the ends out, this part's important. But I guess you do kind of need one with a clamp. I don't think this would work with a wand. Clamp, casually roll up. Okay. Now this is where it gets important. This is kind of a hairdresser move, I think. Loop the top of this under this hair, so watch. Loop it under and pull tight. Loop it under and pull tight. Loop it under and pull tight. I can show you that a few more times, right? That looks a little like, it's not much of a curl. Just wait. We're leaving a little at the ends, you know, kind of twisting it up just like normal. Go as high as you want. You know what I mean? Have variety. But once you can kind of feel the outside of your hair get a little bit warm. Loop the top under and pull. So you can see it. Loop the top under and pull. Loop the top under and pull. And pull it out. So they're more of a flat curl that way. I didn't even learn this from anywhere, y'all. I just like experiment with my hair all day long. I think this is probably a technique, like maybe I subconsciously saw it. I don't know, this is just what works for me on these days. Like normally I can just zoom through, like I'm kind of trying to do them more perfect today so I can show y'all, but normally I do this like that kind of, you know what I mean? Like I just kind of like throw it down and move on to the next. And why do I not put half my hair up? Because I'm lazy and in a rush always, so I just don't. That's just, would it make it easier? Yes. I think also though, if I put it half up, half down, it gets a little too perfect looking, and I kind of like it more like random and messy, you know? And like there's no rhyme or reason to this, but now I'm gonna do a few on this side, and I kind of twist it on the way down like that. I kind of have more issues with this side than the other, and I'm left-handed, and maybe that's why, I don't know. And then pull it out. Pull it out. The part under here is like so satisfying to me for some reason, I don't know why. And yeah, you just kind of tap it and see if the hair is getting hot. That's fine if it's like messy. I can't believe I'm doing this in a jacket. I'm so hot right now. But I was like, I want to be in this little jacket on this like rainy day, you know? It's like a little rainy, dreary day. So I kind of repeat this all over my head, which I'm gonna do, and I'll show y'all when I do the front pieces. So also part of this lazy hairstyle is some of the ones down here, I just wrap it as if this is a wand. This is consistent throughout all my hair tutorials. Mainly I do random stuff. Like normally I just kind of mix it up and keep alternating, but underneath here, like I don't feel like doing those little fancy moves. So I'll just kind of curl them however, underneath, because it doesn't really matter. You're not really seeing those that much. You can do the little thing I showed all over, but I just get lazy under here. So like I'll just take a piece like this and literally just wrap it, you know, and that's fine. So I've done mostly my whole head, and that same, like look how casual it looks. Like it's nothing fancy. This is just an easy, quick tutorial. And scooch forward a little just so you can see. Honestly, I kind of just go with what I'm feeling. So like I'm just gonna clamp at the top here and just kind of roll down, leaving those ends out. Just kind of, and then just slowly release it like that. Any sort of random straight pieces you see, just kind of gather all those together and just go again. Kind of sometimes brush it out first. Same thing, I'm gonna clamp at the top for these like front pieces and roll down, and then just kind of slowly release those. So I mean, they don't have to be perfect, it's just do shorter time on the front ones too, because you don't want it to crimp it. I mean, you don't want it to look weird. So people have asked me in my old video, and just like in all my hair curling videos, how do you not get it to crimp, which I will show you. So for example, if I'm going in with like this piece, right? Don't close down all the way on this. You have to keep tapping it. I'm kind of just keeping it light. Like this is not like crimping the life out of it, you know what I mean? It's also about the angle you hold it at. Like if I'm holding it like at a weird angle with my hair, it's gonna crimp. So it's just practice too. I mean, you just gotta leave it horizontal with the hair. Now I'm just going through, seeing if there's any other random pieces I missed. So this is it. This is my basic everyday hair, and then I'm gonna show you how I can kind of loosen it up more. Other hairstyles, I'll brush through them, but with this, I let it cool. Like this side feels cool. And I'll just kind of run my fingers through it like that. And then go through the roots with that dry shampoo that's in there. It helps you keep it, give it some texture in there. I just keep going through like that. Get the back. And yeah, that's basically it. I know it's similar to my other tutorial. This one's just a little bit more quick and casual, and it's all kind of one movement too, but I think the sliding out makes it quicker. Like for me, this takes less time to like just keep sliding out every single piece. So yeah, that's kind of the finishing product. You could add oil, you could add a little bit more, you know, dry shampoo to fluff up the root. These are kind of like my southern curls, I would say. Like this is like, you know what I mean? Maybe not. If anything is too straight, I mean curled at the bottom, you just go through and straighten it out. I mean, I just use this. I just flip it the opposite way. Yeah. But isn't that a cute finished product? Like I think leaving those pieces out, doing the flat curl technique is really, really cute. I'm obsessed. This is what I've been doing most days, like day to day. So Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and comment any questions down below. I love answering your questions, any sort of like specific thing about this. But yeah, just moral of the story, keep it light, keep it quick, keep that little thing moving, and you're gonna be good to go. So thank you so much for watching. Turn on that notification bell and subscribe. Bye.